Hi everyone, my name is Razar Siddharth. Today's topic is collection queue stack. Today date is 26th March 2026 22. In that collection is a the collection in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all the operation that you perform on a data, such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, and deletion. In Java collection means a single unit of objects. Java collection framework provides many interfaces: set, list, queue, DQ, and classes: array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, linked hash set, tree set. What is collection in Java? A collection represents a single unit of objects, that is a group. What is collection framework? A collection framework represents a unified architecture for storing and manipulating a group of objects. It has interfaces and it is implementation, that is classes and algorithm. Collection framework contains classes: array list class, list interface, linked list class, map interface, hash map interface, hash map class, linked hash map class, tree map class, tree set class, hash table class. Collection interface. The collection interface is the interfaces which is mediated by the all the classes in the collection framework. It declares the methods that every collection will have. In other words, we can say that the collection interface will build the foundation on which the collection framework depends. Some of the methods of collection interfaces are boolean add, object, obj, boolean add, all, collection C, void clear, etc., which are implemented by all the subclasses of collection interfaces. And stack is a Java in stack. The stack is a linear data structure that is used to store the collection of objects. It is based on the last in first out LIFO. Java collection framework provides many interface and classes to store the collection, in which of object one of them is the stack class that provides different operations such as push, pop, search. In this section, we will discuss the Java stack class, its methods are and implements the stack data structure in Java program. But before moving to the Java stack class, a quick view of the stack. The stack data structure has two most important operations, that are push and pop. The push operation inserts the element into the stack, and pop operation removes an element from the top of the stack. Let's see how do they work in the stack. In that, third is queue. The queue interface present in the Java util package that extend the collection interfaces is used to hold the that's elements about the proceed FIFO. First in, first out order. It's in an ordered list of objects with its use limited to insert element at the end of the list and deleting elements from the start of the list. That is, it follows FIFO of the first out first principle. Queue interface declaration. Public interface. Queue is extends collection methods of Java queue interface. Methods and description. Boolean and add object. It is used to insert the specified element into the queue and return true upon success. A boolean offer object. It is used to insert the specified element into the queue. Object remove. It is used to receive and remove the head of this queue. Object poll. It is used to receive and remove the head of the queue, or returns with null. This queue is empty. Object element. It is used to receive but does not remove is the queue. Thank you.